going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Well, today we are going to be, me and my brother are going to be playing football, as you can see. And we are going to be doing the Woodwork challenge to hit both posts and the crossbar. So let's get started. Jake, you'll go first.
No!
He missed. My turn. Can I do it?
To your ball, and you
Oh, failed.
My turn.
Oh, close.
I'll just get my ball.
Yeah. My turn again, and this I'm going to do with my weak foot. 3, 2, 1. Oh, missed.
And it's my turn.
In the back one, that's my dog, Fifi. Fifi!
And I'm going to shoot with that. And I'm going to shoot with that. You come in.
Oh, he missed. My turn. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I just missed.
This is going to go in.
Sorry that I haven't made a video for a very long time. I haven't got a chance to do it.
What is?
Jake missed. My turn. I hit the post. I hit the post. That's I just need to hit one post and a crossbar. Jake's turn. Ah, nearly. 3, 2, 1. Oh, nearly hit crossbar.
Keep it, Jake. Jake,
Oh, my seed. We control. Come on, Jake. No! 3, 2. Hey, whatever. 3, 2, 1. Crossbar. No! Oh, no, you missed. My turn in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I hit the same post. I hit the same post. No. Go on, Jake. You can do better than this.
I'm not going to get up first.
And yesterday I was just about to make a football video, but the camera wasn't working.
But Teddy got to it then.
My turn. Oh, missed. 3, 2, 1. No!
Don't hit it.
So close. Oh wait, no! That counts! That counts, that's it! I just need to hit crossbar! Oh, Megs! Come on. Yeah, you hit the post! I nearly did it for him. Come on, Jake, come on. Just need to aim higher, lean backwards, and do it powerful like this. Oh, not like that. Like this. No, not like that either. Third time lucky. Oh my days. Now how about this? So it's just me then. I need to try and hit crossbar in 3, 2, 1. Oh my days. That was just Absolutely rubbish. Please comment down below what your favourite YouTuber is and what your favourite Sideman is. Hey, post again! Oh, for God's sake. Let me hit crossbar. Yes, I hit crossbar and in. That's it for the day, guys, and please destroy that like button and the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Say bye!